Monument Grills has a reputation for producing units that look, feel, and perform like boutique-style grills, but cost a fraction of the price. Monument Grills come with nearly top-to-bottom stainless steel construction, high-powered burners, and a lot of extra features that you typically only find on units that cost several $1,000s. There are many products available to choose best Monument Grill, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Monument Grill from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. These 4 minutes will help you to choose the best products, so without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Monument Grill's 6-burner stainless steel. The Monument 6-burner propane gas grill earns high marks for its roaring BTU power, massive cooking area, and a bundle of extras. This Monument Grill provides a total of 84,000 BTUs of firepower spread out across 634 square inches of primary grilling space. If that's not enough room, expand by taking advantage of the 266 square inch warming rack. Plus, you have 2 spacious side tables, one of which doubles as a 12,000 BTU burner. One of the crowning features is the built-in rotisserie kit powered by a 120 volts electric motor with an enclosed housing. A bonus is that nearly every part of this cooking machine is made from 304 stainless steel. That includes the 6 main burners, side burners, grates, and flame tamers. Extra features include LED-controlled dials for nighttime grilling, a spacious double-doored storage cabinet, and a removable grease pan. Number 2. Monument Grill's 4-burner stainless steel. The Monument stainless steel 4-burner grill leads the pack thanks to its roaring BTU power, stainless steel construction, and cool extra features. This 4-burner propane gas grill features solid 304 stainless steel construction, extending from the tip of the hood down to the burners, firebox, and cabinet base. In total, you get 683 square inches of cooking surface. That's 473 square inches on the primary grates, and 210 square inches on the warming rack. Crack the lid, which features a built-in temperature gauge, and you'll find porcelain-coated cast grates. These resist sticking and are corrosion and rust resistant. Extra features include a 12,000 BTU lidded side cooker, perfect for preparing sides and sauces, LED control knobs for nighttime grilling, and a removable grease tray with a catch pan. The double-door storage cabinet is spacious. There's plenty of room for your propane tank and extra grilling gear. Number 3. Monument Grill's 19-inch tabletop. If you're looking for a travel companion or have limited space to grill, check out the Monument Grill's 19-inch tabletop portable propane gas grill. This 2-burner propane gas grill measures 18.7 x 19.49 x 13.78, so it's nice and compact. Plus, it comes with 2 sturdy travel locks, which makes for easy stow and go. Despite its compact footprint, you still get 207 square inches of primary cooking space. This grill is also made from top to bottom stainless steel, and that quality extends to the 2 independently controlled burners, grates, lid, and firebox. I also like the built-in flame tamers, which eliminate flare-ups and ensure even heat distribution. The lid-mounted temperature gauge is also a nice touch. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.